Okay, now for argument's sake and for a better understanding of how this all works, I'll dive in a bit further. So let's say you do an aftermarket muffler upgrade and have not installed an EFI tuner and your engine suddenly has a failure. And you take it to the Harley dealership who decides to say that the muffler caused it. Well, although the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act is behind you, it may or may not help you. You see, in a situation like this, the burden of proof is completely on you, the consumer. You'd have to decide whether the cost is worth it, because you're the one that will have to find and hire an attorney that may or may not be willing to file a lawsuit. Now, over the past years, we have had communications with Harley owners and particular dealerships conducting business like this in similar circumstances. I would say our local dealership and the vast majority were not doing this and following the rules. With that said, the FTC agreement included contact info to file a complaint with HD headquarters and the FTC. You may find a resolution at this first step. So what do aftermarket parts manufacturers and third-party shops think of all this? Well, they should like it a lot.